Hello, welcome to our Experimenting with Science channel. Today we are here with our experiment, Where is Electricity Used? Electric Circuit and Switch. Necessary materials, battery holder, battery, switch, lamp, and one cable. First, let's place the batteries in the battery holder. Then secure one end of our blue cable to our switch. As you can see, our lamp has two legs. I am bending the long leg like this and securing it to the red cable in the battery holder. I am securing the other short leg for the blue cable to come to it. I place the black cable in our battery holder to the other empty part of the switch and secure it as well. In this way, we have completed our circuit. Now we turn on the switch and can observe our lamp lighting up. The long leg of our lamp indicates the positive part, and by connecting the red cable in our battery holder to it, we actually complete our circuit. The remaining loose cables are also on the switch, and in this way, our simple electric circuit is completed.